What is up, guys? It's Gorilla Boy Trav back with another video, man. It is a sunny day in California. It's a beautiful day. It's Saturday, it's the weekend, and I know I've been telling you guys I'm gonna put the wheels on, and I kind of been slacking, but the wheels are on the car, as you can see. That I have a knife in my hand because I'm about to go cut the boxes, but the wheels are on the 240, as you see right there. Can't zoom in, but the guys, just because, you know, TikTok has seen it, Instagram has seen it, but YouTube has not seen it. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the wheels. It's gonna be a short video because I'm just showing you guys the wheels, and then I'll kind of get in depth a little bit more into the body kit of viewer's choice. So give me a second. Alrighty, guys, these are my Cosmis Racing XT206Rs. I have the hood off because it's not latched on and I was driving it around just so I can get the feel in the tires. The rears are on Firehawk Indy 500s. They are, what are they, 255/40 R17s, and I feel like that's cool. I might end up going 285 or even 300 in the future and just move these 255s to the front. We'll see, but right now it looks absolutely gorgeous. The sun hits it pretty cool. Has a little dust and some smudges just because putting the wheels on, so I gotta wipe those down. But for the most part, oh my goodness, how does that look? How does that look? Whew. That is too cool, man. I'm so happy that I bought these. Let me see if I can give you guys, you know, that freaking good angle. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Let me get in depth of the new body kit, viewer's choice. My viewers chose those wheels. That's why we have them on the 240. And next they will be choosing the body kit. And then after the body kit, they will be choosing the wrap. I have some samples on the way so that when the body kit is purchased, we can get straight to choosing the wrap so we don't have to wait. And hopefully we can get this thing up and running for a couple car season shows. I'm pretty sure we will, just because things are looking very, very good for me right now. But all in all, we will be, well, not we, you guys, my subscribers, you guys will be choosing between the Zenki body kit or the Kouki body kit. I think I'm saying that right. Kouki. I don't know. Sorry. My Japanese accent isn't good because I don't even have one. But we will be choosing the new body kit for the 240. I keep saying we. You guys will be doing it. And we'll be doing that live. I'm just saying about 2-3 weeks. Just so I can get it out. The first time when we went live for the wheels, it kind of took a while because people were kind of like, what's going on here? I really don't know what the heck we're voting for. But I'm gonna try to get this across way better. But yeah, we will be choosing the new body kit. I cannot wait until we freaking do that. Oh, it's gonna be so cool. Gonna be so cool. But yeah, guys, without further ado, man, thank you guys so much. We actually freaking got the wheels on. Oh my god, and it looks gorgeous. Look at that, gorgeous. So yeah, we are going to freaking choose the body kit. I can't wait until we do that. I cannot wait until we do that. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. I will be posting more, trying to post more on YouTube, do these short videos, keep the content flowing for you guys. I'm just really busy at work. I have a baby, I have a social life, I have a girlfriend. So it's a lot of things that kind of come into play. But I'm gonna try to keep it up for you guys. But yeah, stay tuned. New body kit is coming. You guys will be choosing. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. See you later.